Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix permanent WhatsApp ban. If your account is banned permanently, you'll see a message saying this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Permanent bans are mostly irreversible, and if you think you were falsely banned from WhatsApp, you can appeal for it in order to get your WhatsApp account unbanned. You may want to follow the process. First, appeal the ban. If it's a permanent ban, you'll need to appeal to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, where you will see a screen informing you of the ban. Click on Contact Us. Or go to the three dots, tap on Settings, scroll down, and tap on Help. Then select Help Center. Now, tap Contact Us. Then, write your appeal. In the text field, write your appeal. Clearly state that you believe your account has been banned unfairly and request a review. Be polite and professional in your communication and include relevant and complete details that may help your case. After that, send your appeal. Once you've written your appeal, click Send. It may take a few days for WhatsApp to respond, so be patient. Ensure your appeal message includes an explanation of the corrective actions you've taken and a commitment to adhere to WhatsApp policies moving forward. Keep in mind that WhatsApp deals with numerous requests like yours, so they may take some time to review your case and back to you. WhatsApp can ban accounts without prior warning if they believe the account poses a severe risk to the community. Hence, adhering to WhatsApp policies and using the platform responsibly is always recommended. However, in some rare instances, WhatsApp may automatically ban you out of suspicious that you may have been involved in malicious activity if it notices a sudden spike in your activity. If your number has been banned from WhatsApp, here are some common reasons for WhatsApp ban you'll want to know. First, using an unofficial WhatsApp application. Second, sending spam or bulk messages. Third, too many users are reporting you. Third, creating fake account or impersonating someone. Fourth, promoting illegal activities. Fifth, sharing inappropriate content. And sixth, WhatsApp terms of service violation. The type of WhatsApp bans are temporary ban and permanent ban. A permanent ban is the most serious actions WhatsApp can take against an account. This action is usually taken for severe repeated violations of WhatsApp policies. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.